software systems form an integral part of our daily lives. Whether in our homes or at our workplaces, software systems have become indispensable for a comfortable existence. Therefore, software failure can prove expensive and result in the loss of time, effort, and reputation. For critical software, these failures can also cause major financial losses, injury, or result in the loss of life. Let's consider a software program used to issue airplane tickets online. Suppose the program used to create reservations miscalculates airfare because it erroneously inserts an extra zero in a numeric field used to perform the airfare calculation. In such a situation, if the airfare calculated was uncompetitively high, potential customers would likely refuse to pay the price and take their business elsewhere. This could cause a loss of reputation for the airline along with the lost business. In another instance, suppose a refrigerator is rolled out with an incorrect automatic defrost temperature. In this case, the refrigerator might overheat, resulting in complete failure of the appliance. This failure may require the company to arrange for a recall or a complete replacement of the appliance for all new customers. This, in turn, would result in a loss of and a negative image for the brand. In more serious cases, faulty software systems may result in injury or loss of life. Consider a software system that miscalculates the quantity of chlorine needed to disinfect the water in a reservoir. Suppose a decimal point is wrongly placed, so that the amount of required chlorine is double the permissible amount. This could be fatal for the people using the water. In another instance, a software error in a medical machine could have serious implications for any patient using the machine. This is why it is important to locate and rectify the defects of a software system before it is released for public use. To eliminate the defects in faulty software, it is important to understand what causes the defects. Faulty software is a result of the errors or mistakes made while designing and building it. Most software issues can be divided into three categories. These categories are error, defect, failure. An error or mistake is an action performed by a person or persons that leads to an incorrect result. This could be an error made by someone using a software system, or an error made by someone in the process of designing and building the software system. A defect, also known as a bug or fault, is a flaw in a component or a system that can cause the component or system to fail to perform its required function, such as an incorrect statement or data definition. A failure is defined as a deviation of the component or system from its expected delivery, service, or result. A defect causes a software system to fail. Failures occur when a software system doesn't perform as expected by the end user, or executes an action which it shouldn't have. It is important to note that not all defects result in a failure. A failure only occurs when code is executed.